been going on for a long time. And now we'll go to live TV.
I'm here with tons of fun when I be at home watching DirecTV. No matter what I want to.
It's unwatchable. You need to fix it.